बिल्डिंग का विस्तार लगातार बढ़ता जा रहा है, जिसमें झोपड़े को तोड़कर बिल्डिंग का निर्माण हो रहा है। ऐसा ही निर्माण किया जा रहा है अंधेरी पश्चिम के जमात खाने के पास। अंधेरी पश्चिम जमात खाना क्षेत्र में 7 घरों पर जबरन तोड़क कार्रवाई की गई, ऐसा कहना है यहाँ के रहवासियों का। यह तोड़क कार्रवाई बीएमसी ने नहीं की है, यह कार्रवाई की है बिल्डर याकूब बादशाह खान ने। इनका साथ दिया है प्रमोटर हाजी मियां और चीफ सेक्रेटरी इरफान चौश ने। वहां के स्थानीय लोगों का कहना है कि यह बिल्डिंग डेमोलिश के लिए तोड़ी गई है और उन 7 घरों के बदले उन्हें सिर्फ 2 से 3 घर उपलब्ध किए जा रहे हैं। लेकिन अगर हम गौर से इन तस्वीरों पर नजर डालें तो यह इमारत अब तक पूरी तरह से नहीं बनी और ये अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन है। वहां के रहवासियों का ये भी कहना है कि शनिवार के दिन जहां कोर्ट कचहरी बंद रहती है, वहीं पर बिल्डर के झांसे में पुलिस और बिल्डर के लोगों ने मिलकर इस तोड़क कार्रवाई को अंजाम दिया है। आइए घर के सदस्यों से इस पूरे वारदात के बारे में जानते हैं।
नोटिस निकाल के अंदर से लेके आया, हमारा केस वहाँ चालू था, वो नोटिस लेके आया हमको, फिर हमको 7 दिन का नोटिस भेजा। वो 7 दिन के नोटिस में भी हम नहीं गए तो फिर 24 घंटे का भेजा। 24 घंटे में नहीं तो हम फिर कोर्ट में गए, अपील किए कोर्ट में हमारा पेपर सबमिट हो गया। लेकिन ये लोग बोले कि नहीं, तुमको स्टे ऑर्डर मिला नहीं है, अभी तक तुम कुछ नहीं कर सकते और तुमने म्हाडा में जाके रिक्वेस्ट लेटर लाया है, तो अभी 2-3 दिन के अंदर तुम कुछ करो, तुम्हारा हाँ, नहीं तो हम तोड़ देंगे। अभी हमारा कोर्ट में सबमिट, हाई कोर्ट में पेपर सबमिट होने के बावजूद वो लोगों ने आज हमारा घर तोड़ दिए। हाँ, तो ना हमको उसने भाड़े के बारे में पूछा, ना हमको मेंशन किया कि भाई देखो तुम हमसे भाड़ा ले लो, ये चेक लो या ये भाड़ा कैश ले लो, ऐसा कुछ करो, ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं। और आज शनिचर, आज बिल्डर के बाद तो 3 टाइम गए हमारे बच्चे, 3-4 टाइम गए। तो बिल्डर कहता था कि तुम्हारा एनेक्चर में नाम ही नहीं है, तो तुम्हारा अभी जो नाम आया है तो हम जो बोलेंगे तो भरोसा करो और तोड़ दो। हम बोले भाई भरोसा कैसा करेंगे, जब नाम नहीं है तो हम कैसा तोड़ेंगे। तुम हमारे नहीं थी, हम सब बच्चे सब काम पे गए हुए थे। फिर जब हमने सबको फ़ोन किए तो फिर बच्चे लोग भी आए दौड़ के, लेकिन बच्चे लोग कॉलेज जा रहे तो वो भी नहीं गए। छोटे छोटे बच्चे, उनकी स्कूल थी, वो भी नहीं, वो स्कूल में से भी आधे दिन से उनको भी लाना पड़ा। लेडीज़ लोग को एक दिन पहले आके शुक्रवार की रात में धमकी दे के कि अभी हम तुम्हारा 11 बजे।
In the morning also we had given a call to media, but media did not support us at that time. And even though we have all the documentations and everything, and we have applied for a stay as well. We have got the stay, we have given an invert to the collector's office, everything. And according to Article 35, they should not have demolished our structures. They should not have demolished our structures. Okay, but they came with full police force, they came with police force, and they came with all their goons, and they started demolishing the structures. They did not listen to us, they did not even look at the papers that we had. They only said, we have been given orders from top and we have to demolish. But considering the fact that we already have filed for a stay, our stay has been already put on the collector's office and we have an invert also for it. So legally it was not even considered that they should actually give us a chance to face or to come on to the court or to and hear us. And we have applied to all the places. We have applied to MHADA, we have gone to SRA, we have gone to all the possible places, and all the possible places they have bribed people and put our force down. Society members did not say that, though they are promising us a house over here in the temporary structure and also a house over here and there. But it's a fact that they have broken our house, and to show sympathy, they are now giving us a home here and there.
So according to the structure which has been demolished
over here, we have been provided 3 temporary sheds over here, and 3 different rooms they have shown us where we have put our stuff for the time being. We are not very sure because we don't have any documentation of it. So I'm not very sure whether they will be kept in that structure and how far will be kept in that structure.
So in the builder point of view,
absolutely don't think so, because it has been like 5 years we have been struggling for this thing to come up. And we really don't have any hopes that the builder is going to fulfill his promise or is going to provide us any structure for that. Really simple demands. We have 7 houses, 7 families residing over here. We have documentation of each and every family. We just only want those 7 rooms. That's it. We're not demanding for money. We're not demanding for anything else which other people have taken already, which we can give in proof also.
Right now it is windy.
Of course we're going to face problems. We're going to keep our families. We're finding shelter here and there. We're struggling to keep our families over here. The structure, if you can see the temporary structure, as you can see behind this particular room, it's not even worth living. We have put our stuff over there. We have locked those things. There is nothing in there. There is nothing in there. Yeah, we have requested for notice. Government has given a resurvey notice, but the resurvey was never done. They have been telling us that we require this, we are resurvey will be done, but that has never been done. So we are still working on those things. I really don't know when the builder is going to fulfill that promise. Society got a notice. Society has never come up with that particular thing that we are going to do this thing or do that thing. We have went to the chairman of the society. We went to the secretary of the society. We have been to each and every board member of the society, asking for small things like, okay, come do this, look into this matter. We will go and look into the matter. Builder called upon us, but he's never agreeing to put our things on paper. He's never agreeing to put our things on paper. He just says orally, you come, we'll sit, we'll discuss, we'll finalize. But orally, how can we trust anybody who is a newcomer to our place? We have been residing here for almost 50 years now. From 1948, we have been residing over here. So how can you trust any come outsider and just believe in and give our houses to them? But this, as you see the structure, it has been demolished, it's been forcefully done. We have vacated it because we never wanted to get hurt into it, because that kind of people. We didn't want to get anything into wrong sides of the things. Because the police came, the goons came, then they did that. They did what they wanted to do.